Sega.
You are clear to land, Shuttle Pursuit.
Good evening, Captain.
Lieutenant, it's good to see you again.
Same to you, sir. Thank you for arranging everything.
Are you sure you're ready for this?
I believe I am, sir. I've put the Cardis tragedy behind me.
You have 1 hour to prep for launch. Good to have you back, Eileen.
We've got to go into quarantine or the whole ship will be lost.
But there are still people in there. We can't just leave them to die.
The radium gas from the engines has already flooded most of the ship. If we don't lock down now, we'll all die.
Yates, go into quarantine.
As you all know, the Kronos was sent to Ceti Alpha 5 to investigate the missing terraforming expedition. The last transmission from the Kronos was approximately 2 weeks ago. We've finally located the Kronos. From the looks of her, she's pretty torn up. We've not been able to raise anybody over the comm, but we've identified strange growths on her hull. We need to send a reconnaissance unit on board to determine what happened. Strike Team Alpha will go over and recover the logs from the Kronos. Perhaps they will hold a clue as to what happened.
It's a mess in here. Looks like some intense firefights. No human contact so far. There's some strange organic material on the walls, fused to the metal. I don't like this one bit.
Keep your eyes and ears open, Lieutenant. Get to that bridge.
Yes, sir. I'll call in when there's more to report. Out.